Hello, my name is Keith Ng. I'm a speaker, trainer, and an entrepreneur in IT business. Hello, Dechen. First, your course is the best I've seen so far. And I'm from a beginner, total beginner, that have zero knowledge in Forex and trading. So Dechen'Lau's workshop is my first ever workshop that I attended regarding topic about Forex and trading. That's where that I really hands-on the Forex, and also during the workshop, he really show us how to trade even as a beginner or even as an advanced trader. You both benefited as well. When I jumped into Forex, I consider myself very fortunate to have found Dechen's workshop, because the two markets require a different set of skills that I've learned a few new tricks or two. So how refreshing in this business is. I personally thank you, Dechen, for teaching me the real technique, and that is not only real technique, also the real money making technique from Forex and trading as well. I highly recommend it to anyone who really want to succeed in this trading and Forex. Go for Dechen'Lau's seminar workshop that you actually eventually shorten up your learning curve in the trading and Forex. Good luck to you all. Thank you. Bye-bye.